Okay, so we're back super quick. The only thing that was wrong is the shaft that goes in here in the drive shaft, that little pin that came out. So obviously I didn't find it, so I took a drill bit and cut it to size, and that's what we're using as a shaft in there to hold the drive shaft in place. So no major breaks. Now I'm just gonna have my son drive it so I can record it. I told him just to kind of just play around with it. Alright, so he already flipped it. Let's fix that for him. Okay. I guess the whole point of this is just to show you how stable it is and that it can go up and down as much as it likes. Not much to say. I mean, it's an RC bouncer. Obviously he doesn't hit it as hard as I do, and that's why it hasn't broken yet. Oh, by the way, we're still running that 2200 milliamp hour battery that we had in the first video. So it should die pretty soon. I don't know, like I haven't tested to see how long it lasts. It can't be that long with this big of a motor. Alright, so still in one piece. You saw how steep that was. As you all know, I don't edit my videos. I show everything that happens so that you know that, it's the real thing. That's why I left on the first video that break. Because I just think it's fair, to show what really happens. I mean, this is all part of the hobby. You will break stuff when you're in this hobby. Oh, that's my driver. Almost missed it. So, everything that breaks, I leave on my videos. And as you can see, it's not the vehicle itself that was the problem. It was mostly the driver, that being me. Don't throw dirt at me. Alright, get a little more speed to come in. I think it's running out of battery, that's why. Is it running out of power when you're going up there? I think it's the battery. Try it one more time. Oh, there you go. Alright, let's kill him there. So, I guess it works. But anyways, I felt it wasn't right to let it just, end the way that it did. Hold on. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. So I figured I'd put it together to show you guys that it can still run. I think it still has a little bit of juice in there. That's the battery we're running. It's already been close to what, 9-10 minutes? Let me see. Can it still run? Oh, okay. So maybe it'll make the 10-minute mark. Just flip it. No, you go flip it. Ew, I'm tired of going up and down. Oh, this one looks good. Try and go up here. Try and go up this one. Hehehe.